Now I'm driving in south part of Osaka. Today we are heading to Kyoto Prefecture. I will be in Tokyo from next week, so I wanted to check Kyoto town before leaving Kansai area, which is west part of Japan. It will take about 2 hours from here to Kyoto by motorbike. Firstly, I wanna check Nishiki Ichiba food market, and I wanna go to Arashiyama, which is really popular for bamboo forest. There will be really few people, so I can ride motorbike over there. It will be really cool. In the night, I'm heading to Tetsugakuno Michi, which is popular for Firefly. It's Firefly season now, so hope I can see them near Quiet Creek. It's during third state of emergency now. Compared to the first one, more people are going out. It might be the last chance to see empty Kyoto town by motorbike, so I have decided to go to Kyoto. On your right, that's the highway in Japan. If I use highway, it will be 30 minutes faster to get Kyoto, but it will cost me 1,800 Japanese yen for one-way usage. Toll roads are pretty expensive in Japan. For me, I'd rather spend 30 minutes more to eat nice lunch. Oh, you see the white one? It's dandelions. Sweet. By the way, this is the situation that I feel scared when I ride motorbike. Surrounded by big trucks. I'm planning to travel all Japan prefectures in the future, so I definitely wanna have a car before I start traveling. It's rainy season in Japan now. Hope it will not rain today. According to weather forecast, it should be fine though. Now we are crossing Uji River. After past this river, Kyoto town is almost there. Here we go, we arrived to Kyoto city now. If I turn right over here, JR Kyoto station is just there. But today, we are heading to Nishiki Ichiba Market, so let's keep straight. I'm heading to closest motorbike parking. You cannot park motorbike on the street in the city, so you need to find a parking. There are many car parking spots, but not so many motorbike parking. Well, I believe parking is near here. Oh, there we go. This is the one. Oh, finally arrived to Kyoto. Hey guys, welcome to Ryan's TV. I'm Ryan, say no go. So this is the parking. Seems like price is 300 Japanese yen for 12 hours. Well, actually I will just park here about 1 or 2 hours, but it's okay. Anyway, to the Nishiki Market, it's about 10 minutes walk from here, so let's keep walking. Let's go. This is Shijo Dori Street, near Karasuma Station. This place used to be full of travelers before the pandemic, but really few people walking. Just walking straight, you can see the Apple store. Then turn left, you will find the entrance of Nishiki Ichiba Market. I haven't ate my lunch yet, so I was planning to get bento at the Nishiki Market and eat it near Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. However, due to the state of emergency, many stores are closed in the market. Still, several stores are open. However, as you can imagine, not many customers. Speaking of the situation in Japan, finally vaccination for older people is started. Also, I heard around August, vaccination will be available for younger generation too. I believe after people get vaccination, people will start traveling and Japan will open for foreign travelers too. So this street will be back to normal soon, I believe. In the main street, there are more people and many stores are open. So how about the other side? Still, fast food restaurants are open, but I couldn't find the bento store. Seems like this restaurant is closed. Since I'm in Kyoto, I wanted to try local store. So I went to the side street and I found this Menchi Katsu and the Korokke store. Let me find a place to eat. By the way, it's Star Shokudo, meaning star dining. I believe it's not that hard to find a place to eat. Let me see. So this is the Menchi Katsu I got. Alright, here we go. Nice. Seems more like a Hamburg. This place is kind of busy street. Let me find a different place. By the way, the pigeon is already checking my food. Yes, smells good. Well, actually, this place is just right next to that street. You know, I don't want to make the Menchi Katsu gets cold. So, itadakimasu. Oh, oishii. Well, it's kind of interesting feeling. Outside is really soft, and the middle it's kind of crispy, and the inside soft again. Also, when I bite it, a really nice meat flavor, and actually it's bigger than what I thought. Nice. Ooh, that was good. Next, let's go to check the Arashiyama. It's about 30 minutes driving from here, and also plus 10 minutes walking to my parking place. Anyway, let's keep walking. There are many traditional houses and temples here. Usually, we don't see those houses in the big city, but only in countryside. Hope I can find the place that I parked. Yes, this is the place that I parked. My number is 11. Okay, I'm ready to go. Next, let's go to Arashiyama. I want to take a cool photo over there. Let's go. Arashiyama is west part of Kyoto City. It's about 30 minutes driving from Nishiki Market by motorbike. The sky is getting cloudy. Hope it won't rain though. On your left, it's Katsuragawa. This river goes to Osaka. After keep straight a while, there will be Togetsu Kyo Bridge, which has over 1,000-year history. It's really popular bridge for Japanese travelers. One of the signature spots in Kyoto. I always see it on the news too, so I want to take a photo there. Here we go, arrived to Togetsu Kyo. That's Togetsu Kyo, which is one of the most popular bridge in Kyoto. I wanted to take a photo of this bridge with motorbike. So let me take a photo. So this is how I usually take my selfie. Place the cam on tripod, and I have a remote control. Now, let me take a photo of it. Yes. Alright, next, let's go to the bamboo forest. Let's go. From here, bamboo forest is walking distance. This street was popular street for travelers too. After the situation gets better, the street will be packed by people. And this is the entrance of bamboo forest. Seems like not so many people in the street, so let's keep driving. By the way, you can't get in here by motorbike on weekend from 10 AM to 5 PM, so be careful. So I think this is the perfect spot to take a photo. Let me take a thumbnail here. It's really quiet and peaceful. I really enjoy the sounds of nature. Alright, the sky is getting dark. Next, let's go to Tetsugakuno Michi, where we can see fireflies. Tetsugakuno Michi street is in east part of Kyoto. It's about 30 minutes driving from here. We will get to the mountain in front of us, so let's keep driving. Oh, the gas is almost empty. Let me stop by gas station and pump the gas. There are two kinds of gas station in Japan, self-service and non-self-service gas station. Non-self-service gas station has more expensive rate for gas, so I usually use self-service one. Oh, by the way, here too, I can pay by the Apple Watch. arrived to FamilyMart. It's still 6:30. According to the internet, we can see the Firefly from 7:30. So we still have an hour. Let me grab some food and eat. I'm hungry. Alright, so 3 items I got. One is famichiki and the other one is wasabi. And for the drink, it's a cold soda. めっちゃ美味しい. This place is kind of noisy, so let me move to other place. So move to the riverside. This place much quiet and less people. It's kind of dark though. Let me make the light brighter. Okay. So this is the new version of famichiki. Well, famichiki is really good, but this one is cheese in it, so it must be better. I really wish I could drink it with beer, but today, since I'm driving motorbike, so no beer. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Even this one costs less than 200 Japanese yen. It's really good. If you come to Japan, try at least once. And this is the next one. Seems like a tortilla, but it says pizza sand. So it's a pizza sand. Taste is wasabi. Yes, wasabi with beef. Actually, they have a snack, wasabi. And I love wasabi snack, so this one must be good. Let me try that. Oops. Itadakimasu. It looks like Indian food naan. Well, I think I couldn't reach to the beef part, so let me try it one more bite. Interesting. Well, I don't know how exactly I can describe the taste, but it tastes like a teriyaki flavor with wasabi, a little wasabi. So there is tiny beef inside. Yeah. Well, it's not bad, but one time is enough for me. Oh, alright, so that was a good food. Now it's almost 7:30, so let's go to find a firefly. Hope we can find firefly here. So let's go to look for them. Let's go. Actually, I realized that we can find a firefly here. So let me leave the motorbike here and let's go to find a firefly. Hope I can take a photo with this cam. Anyway, let's go to find them. Let's go. Hold on, I found them just over there. Probably GoPro cannot show, but let me try to take a photo with my cam. Can you see the blinking small lights in the middle? Yes, that's Firefly. To be honest, I only saw the fireflies in anime, so I was expecting this. But in the real life, it was not as bright as anime. However, it was really beautiful. Small nature bug can shine without any electricity. Amazing. And I realized that there are so many things that still I haven't experienced yet in the world. So I definitely want to try more and hope I can share the experience with you through this channel. The pandemic is almost over. I really can't wait to travel more. Oh, by the way, this is the time lapse that I took. I spent a long time, but it wasn't that good. I'm still learning so many things, so don't be disappointed, but please look forward to the future videos with new skills. So I came back to the convenience store's parking. I got to see the fireflies. I'm really happy. It was my first time to see that. Well, it was a bit different than what I was expecting it. But even though I couldn't shoot by the cam, there were many fireflies. The people were talking that this year there were more fireflies compared to usual year. So maybe I was lucky. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that too. Oh, by the way, I'm a travel photographer. I have taken many photos of Japan. So if you want to see more about Japan, please don't forget to check my Instagram account too. And also, speaking of my channel, there are over 300 videos about Japan and the Japanese food. So if you are thinking of traveling to Japan in the future, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss my new video and a surprise live stream. So hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! That was a fun day. It's almost 8:30. I will drive home safely and slowly. Hopefully, I can get back to home before midnight. Next video, probably from Tokyo. Probably. Not sure though. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. So see you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! Gah.